Let's talk about adjectives before I get to the class. What exactly is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or tells us more about a noun. For example, the tall boy. The word tall describes the boy. Some examples are big, small, beautiful, intelligent, bright, and hardworking. Adjectives can describe people. For example, he is intelligent. They can also describe objects. For example, the car is beautiful. They can describe animals too. For example, the dog is aggressive. They can even describe places. For example, the classroom is spacious. Let's test ourselves. In the tall boy is running, what is the adjective? The answer is tall because it describes the boy. Now listen to this. The students are troublesome. What is the adjective? Troublesome is the adjective because it describes the students. And no, I'm not saying that you are troublesome. It's just an example. Here's a simple trick. Find the noun, then ask what word describes it. Let's look at 3 examples. A big house, a clever student, a beautiful flower. Remember, an adjective describes a noun or gives us more information about it. Now, it's time for me to get to class. See you there, and remember, think adjective.